All right, so how much does the large bag weigh? So you got to find out the large bags. So what are you thinking?
I don't know.
Okay, so all right, let me help you. All right, 13 ounce, right? Small bags, 13 ounce, okay?
Okay.
The large bag is 5% heavier. So let's find out what 5% of that 13 ounces. How do you do that? So 13. What operations you have to do to find out 5% of that 13 ounce?
What?
13 ounce, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is 5% of 13 ounce? How do you find that?
I don't know.
Okay, what if I change it to 15%? How do you find 15% of 13 ounce?
Divide by 3?
Divide by 2, 50%. Okay, so let me try this again. So, okay, let me see. What do you weigh? 50 pounds? What is your weight?
Yeah.
You're 50 pounds?
Maybe,
What is, okay, so if I say I want you to find 5% of 50 pounds, you take 5 divide by 100. Okay?
Why?
5%. What is 5% in decimal?
Oh, okay.
0.05, right? You
Yeah.
can do it either way. You can do 5 over 100 or 0.05, whichever is easier for you. But the operation is multiply, okay? So let's try this again. 13 ounce, right? So you're going to take 13 times. So which one do you want? You want decimal or you want fractions? Pick one.
I'm fractions.
Okay, so it'll be 5 divided by 100. Okay, so can you do it in your head? 13 times 5? What is 13 times 5?
13 times 5?
Yes.
13 times 5 is 65?
Yep. And then divide by 100. So that will make it what? What's the decimal?
I don't know.
Just divide by 100. 65% is what in decimal?
In decimal?
Yeah, 65 over 100. That's easy. Point what? 0 point. Come on, are you faking it?
What the?
65%.
No.
What's 65% in decimal? You don't know? You don't know? Point what? .65. Right? You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 65 over 100. That's 0.65. Okay. Now, what do you do now? This is your 5%.
How much does a large bag weigh?
Right. So how much does that weigh? The small bag is 13 ounce. Large bag is,
65.
wait, say that again. It's not 65. Okay. Small bag. I'm gonna draw a small bag. This is a small bag. It's 13 ounce, right? The large bag, a little bit bigger. You know it's bigger than 13, but how much? How much larger?
How much larger?
Yeah. What's this right here? Right.
65.
Okay, but that's the 0.65 larger, right?
Yeah.
So wouldn't that be 13.65? You just add 0.65 on top of 13.
I'm confused.
It's heavier. So if someone's heavier than you, don't you just add how much they're heavier than you?
Yes.
Okay, let's try another one. is you got to figure out the percentage of that, and then you either add. So this whole exercise, adding and subtracting, okay?
Okay.
You cannot add 5%, so you got to convert 5% of that 13, and then you're gonna add 13 on top of that. Does that make sense or no?
Kind of.
Okay, let's try another one. Read the question and I'll do it and watch me, okay? Read it first. Hello?
Hi.
Okay, read number 2, please.
A loan card has 45% interest on every dollar loan. If the first $177, how much will they end up paying total?
Okay, so 177 is what he borrows, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, okay,
Yeah?
you keep close to the microphone. I can't hear you.
Mama?
Your mom's gonna yell.
Mama?
Okay, calm down.
Mama?
All right.
说清楚啊。Okay.
Hold on. Okay.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now, so what? $177, okay?
Yeah.
Raise hand. Why do you raise your hand? Like, okay, come on, pay attention,
I
please.
didn't raise my hand.
All right, 35%. So I want you to multiply 35%. All right.
So you made 177 times 35.
Okay. All right. Can you do it on a piece of paper? 177 times 35, and then divide by 100 if you can do all of the steps together. Did you get it yet? Oh, no.
No, I'm still doing this.
177 times 35. What do you got?
61.95.
Yes, good job. Yeah, see? Okay, so this is your 35%. Now you're gonna add 177 plus 61.95. Let's do that. That will be how much he has to pay total, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and do that.
Well, we do it. Hold on. Yeah. What?
177 plus 61.95. Come on, it's not that difficult. 2.
38.95.
Yes. Okay, you got it now. Figure out the percentage first, and then either add or subtract, okay? All right, let's try another one. Number 3. Read it, and then you want to try it by yourself, okay? I'm not going to help you on this one for a few minutes. Number 3.
The plant was 46 centimeters tall. After a month, it had grown 7% taller. How tall was the plant after a month?
Okay, so let's do step 1. What is step 1? Look at my number 2 example. This is step 1.
Step 1.
Yeah. What's the first step?
46 times 7. So
And then-
46 times 7. Give me an hour.
No, 1 minute. Come on. I'm timing you, okay? Let's go.
322. Now 322 divided by 100, right?
Right, which is 3.
Okay. 3.22.
Yes, good job. All right, step 2. What is step 2?
Step 2.
Yes, look at my step 2 and then do your step 2.
3.22 plus 46,
Yes.
which is 49.22.
Yeah, good job. See, you got it under a minute. Okay, now number 4, be careful, okay?
Number 4.
Yes, read it first.
Net creative video games of the
All right, come on, be serious. Okay, so what is first step then? Step 1. Same steps.
Same steps.
Yes.
Let's see here. 40 times 8, which is 320. 320 divided by 100 is 3.2.
40 times 8 is, wait, did you say 320, right?
Yeah.
3.2. Okay, now be careful with step 2. Read the question and see what they want.
What?
Okay, what is step
How
2?
long was his video after he cut it?
Okay, so cut it. What does cut it means?
I like your cutty.
But in terms of operation, is that subtraction or addition?
I like your, okay.
No, I mean, so when you cut something,
Yeah.
do you add or do you subtract?
You subtract.
Okay, so what is the thing? All right, tell me what to do.
40
Yes,
minus
yes.
Thanos.
3.2. Why you say 0? All right, let's go.
3.2,
40
which
minus
is like 47.8.
No, 37.8 you mean. No, that's still wrong. 36.8.
Yeah.
All right, okay, come on. You did it wrong, so you got to do another one now.
No.
All right, let's try another one. I'm going to clear this, okay? So you're going to have to memorize. I'm not going to do number 5. Okay, number 6, you do it by yourself, okay? I can't help you. If you do this right, we're going to move on. If not, I'm going to give you 5 worksheets on this one. Let's go, come on. Read it. Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, read the questions and then do it. Hey, what are you doing? Are you okay?
What?
Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
A furniture store had a chair that cost $33. After a few months, the store took 9% off the price. So essentially, the first step is 33 times 9, which is 297. Now, after 297, you want divide that by 100, 2.79.
Wait, you say 2.97 or 2.79? 33.
I said 2.97.
Okay, so 2.97, right? Okay, now
Yeah,
you
so
have
then
to.
2.97, you just add that to 33?
No, be careful. Read the.
Subtract, you subtract, you subtract, you subtract, you subtract, you subtract, you subtract.
Off, right? So off means subtract, okay?
So 33 minus 2.97, which is like
You do it. I can't tell you.
30.03.
Yes, good job. Nice work. Yeah, okay. Keep your smiley face, okay? All right, good job. Okay, so now let's move on to the next assignment. Finding amongst report. Oh, this one is easy. You can do it by yourself, right? On these. This one is okay.
Yeah.
Just cross multiply and divide, okay? Okay, I think you can do this. I'm not gonna go over that. All right, so the next one. Whoa, this one is gonna be. Okay, there's only 5 of these, so that might be okay. All right, this one is gonna be multiple steps, okay? Multiple step. You know what multiple step is, right? And then you have mixed operation. That means you might have to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, okay? So let's just do this part first, okay? Read the first sentence here for me.
All right, your audio cut out. What'd you say?
Read the first sentence I underline. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me?
Okay. Yeah, I can. What'd you say?
Okay,
What'd you say?
read the first sentence.
At the state fair, foreign employees were paid $8.18 an hour.
Okay, all right. Now go ahead and read the second sentence. Read the second sentence. Hello?
Yeah?
Okay, read the second part.
They work for 10 hours at regular price and then 3 hours at overtime price, an extra $2.18 an hour.
Okay. So what is the question? How much?
Do they make money?
Okay, so what do you think? What are the steps? What is step 1?
Okay, step 1. Okay, so 10 times $8.18.
Okay, so
the second step would be 3 times 2018.
No, hold on.
Hey, I'm not done yet. Okay, so you get $81.80.
Now hold on, time out. And then, but how many employees?
4,000.
No, what do you mean? Where do you see 4,000?
I am blind.
Okay, 4, right?
4.
So okay, so once you times 8.18, you gotta times 4. Okay, so let's do that.
Okay.
All right. So 10 times 8.18 is 81.8 times 4. Okay, can you do it on a piece of paper?
Why?
Because you got to learn this. Okay, calm down. Hey, if you do this 5 questions right, we're done for the day. But you better.
Oh, really?
I think so, but you can't play around, okay?
Okay, 327.2.
Hold on, whoa, time out. 300 and what?
27.2.
Okay, that's the regular hours, okay? Now, the second part you say, what did you say?
Okay, I said... Then so it says in the problem they said we're for temporary and then they do a 3 hours overprice at extra dollars.
Okay, so all right, so
so essentially $2.18 times 3 is like $6.54.
Okay.
$6.54 times 4 is I'm calculating.
No, don't do it yet. Stop. Okay, hold on. Now, what the extra 2.18 means on top of the 8.18 though? So you need
8.18.
You can't. You are saying 3 times 2.18, right?
Yeah.
But that's extra on top of that 8 point. This is how much they pay base, okay? This is the base pay. So you actually have to add 8.18 first.
Okay.
Or you multiply by 3, okay? So let's just do this two little part first. So 2.18 plus 8.18. Let me know what you got. Are you breathing heavy? So what is that? 10 point something. Tell me. Hello? Okay, I can't hear you. Your mic is shut off or something.
What?
Okay, so what's 2.18 plus 8.18?
2.18 times 8.18
No, plus.
times 18
Plus.
times?
Okay, I gotta give you 20 pages of homework because you keep
No.
All right, then no, stop screwing around.
Why?
All right, give me 10 point what? Come on. If I have to do this,
Wait. Too much stress.
it's easy. Let's do it.
10.36.
Okay, right. Now you're gonna multiply by 3. Let's do that.
31.08.
What?
31.08.
Okay, and then times 4. Let's go and do the whole thing for me, please. This is 4 people. 3 times 10.36 times 4.
Times 4.
Yes, because 4 employees, remember? What is it? Come on.
Wait, so 10.36 times 12?
Yeah, that's fine. You can do it. What? Yeah, but didn't you just do 30 point something times 4?
Why?
You already.
Okay, fine. 31.08 times
4.
4
Yes.
is 1,124.32.
All right. Okay. Now, last step. What is your last step? Step 3. How much did they make total? What's the word total means?
Everything in the entire existence of the world.
So, what operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division?
Division.
No. What total?
Yeah, total. That would be like addition.
All right. Let's add them together, please.
So 100,124.32 times
Plus.
What
You keep saying times.
why can't I say
Total means you add them together. Plus what? Which one?
plus 3 billion
3. No. 3 what? Come on.
451.52.
451.52. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see if you can do number 2. That one looks difficult. Okay, but just give it a try.
What?
Okay. Read number 2.
Why are these problems so long?
It's because it's mixed. You're solving mixed operations. You need multiple steps. This is like 7.
Temperature was the temperature was -3 Celsius. Over the next 4 hours, the temperature was another 15 degrees. Then until the 7 p.m., the temperature was 2 degrees. What temperature was it at 7 p.m.?
Okay. So what can you do?
So was -3 over the 4 hours.
So let's do it step by step.
Okay. So wouldn't it be like 18 degrees then first because you're adding?
Now be careful. -3 plus 15 is not 18.
-18.
No.
+18.
No.
-12.
No. Close.
12.
12. Do you know why?
No.
-3 plus 15 is like 15 minus 3, right?
Then what about 15 plus negative 3?
Then it's still going to be minus because a positive and a negative is negative. So let's say, okay, you lost $3 and then somebody gave you 15. That means you earn 12 total.
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. So that is now, what time is that when that happened? Because remember, he started at noon. Oh, wait. Time out. You're right. It's negative 18.
What?
Okay. Drop.
I thought you said it was 12.
So it'll be negative. No, negative 18. You're right. Because it started at negative 3, right?
Bruh.
It started at negative 3, and then you're going to drop another 15. So it's going to be negative 18. Okay. Now, what time is that?
I don't know what noon is.
Okay, so noon is 12 o'clock. Okay.
Then that would be like 4 p.m.
Yes, 4 p.m. So watch my little table. So at noon, at 12 o'clock is negative 3. 4 p.m.
Negative 18.
All right, then read the second sentence.
Then every hour until 7 p.m. the temperature rose 2 degrees.
All right, so rose 2 degrees each hour. Right? So let's not do 7. Let's say 5 o'clock. What is the temperature at 5 o'clock?
Temperature at 5 o'clock would be negative 16.
Right, and then 6 o'clock?
Negative 14, negative 12. So what the temperature at 7 would be negative 12.
12, yes. Good job.
Paige is playing a trivia game when you gain 3 points.
Okay, so this is good. Man, this is long, but it's good for you. All right, number 3 and 4. Guys, if you can do both by yourself.
Paige was playing a trivia game where you gain 4 points for a correct answer and 11 points for an incorrect answer. At the start of the round, she was at negative 700 points. During the round, she answered 8 400-point questions correct, and she answered 9 600 questions incorrect. What was her score at the end of the round?
So let's start.
So at the start of the round, she was at negative 700. Or is that 700?
Negative 700.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. All right, now.
And then during the run, she answered 8 400. So 8 times 400 is 32,000.
So I mean, you mean 3,200.
3,200.
So you're gonna add that.
You add them together and you get.
It's almost like minus.
So 3,200 minus 700.
Yes, which is
2,500.
Okay, good. You did that part. And then what's the next thing?
And she answered 9 600-point questions incorrect.
So that will be what?
5,400?
Yes. And then when you do incorrect, you do what? Addition or subtraction?
Negative.
Okay, so 2,500 minus 5,400 is going to be what?
Negative 3,100.
No, be careful. Think about 5,400 minus 2,500, but change it to negative. It's not 3,000. It's going to be less.
2,900.
Yes. All right. Okay. You did some of it by yourself, so that's good. Okay, number 4.
That's a very low score.
Yeah, that's actually negative, so that means she really did bad. Okay. Okay.
Later on, her 4 friends are going.
Go ahead.
Each ticket cost $11, and then they bought 2 popcorns and $3 a piece, and then each person bought their own soda at $3.75 each. How much money did they spend for their trip to the movies? Okay, so each ticket costs $11. So 11 times 4
Now, be careful.
and 5. I know
5.
I'm not done. 5, so that's $55 already, and 2 popcorns at $3 and then they bought 2 popcorns, so that'd be $7, and then each person bought their own soda, so 3.75 times 5.
Yes.
Oh, I need scrap paper. Hold on.
Okay. Good job. Good job so far. Okay. I think
It's 3.75 times 5.
Yes.
3.75 times 5 is $18.75. So $18.75 plus $55, which is $73.75, and then $73.75 plus another $7.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. That'd give us $80.77.
$80.75.
75 cents.
Okay, $80. Yeah, good job. Okay. I think you got it. We'll skip number 5 since you did it by yourself, okay? Now, let's try. Okay, let me hold on. I gotta give you some homework. Space. Let's see. Good. Hold on. Ah, come on, what is wrong? Adding, subtracting, mix, service area. Okay, now I gotta give you a CK5. Hold on, let me see. The internet's slow. Mesh. Let's do 4. Decimal 4. And then next method. And then give you 4 conversions, so be 3 more. Okay, good job today. Okay, I will see you next week. All right.
Bye.
Bye.